It's a zoology department basically. Their IT department are also there. They do lots of R&D basically. They might have done lots of R&D basically. That means basically they already have the data that this land is going to generate the oil data basically. Means here basically the buildings are going to create that energy is going to connect to the oil department. Oil department means oil energy department basically. That have basically one department only in government basically. So here one person told like this basically the mapping basically. So the B department basically in advance basically they know that basically. This is the construction area basically. Sorry, this area basically is going to convert to this construction area, into this construction area. Into this means 5 lakh building basically. And that 5 lakh building basically contains going to generate oil energy basically. But here one person asked the question basically, the 1 crore people basically are staying and going to stay basically. That data basically how they collect, because in that data basically Sunil R. Nair basically data was not there. So one person do the yes here basically. So that connects to the business basically. Business of India basically. So in business of India basically, they have no business of India means Mumbai basically, and Mumbai means India basically. So in business of Mumbai basically, they have ignored Sunil R. Nair. So suddenly one person basically asked the question basically. Sunil basically in I have basically still not able to view that Marine Drive video. After that basically he left to that depth basically data basically which was collected by the B and electronic department, where basically entire land basically is doing the process and moved to particular land depth area. That data basically is collected by some groups basically. That person basically asked the question. So basically, have you got the job? And after that, basically, he left to one nuclear power plant basically. So next video.